Hey guys, it's Tyler here. We are working on finishing the flooring in the closet here. We're trying to save some dollars and do it ourselves. So we have, as you can see, kind of a weird angle closet. It's a pretty interesting house, pretty interesting layout, but of course with laying this laminate, it can kind of present a challenge. And I don't know if there's a lot of videos on YouTube, but I just thought we'd make a little instruction video here. I've kind of figured out a pretty good way to make these cuts, make these measurements. So I just thought I'd share with you guys in case you're doing this for yourself and you have something similar. So what I do, as you can see, this is where we're at. We're about to finish here. So what I do is I just make my measurement here, and I put it right there at the end where one side will touch the corner. And of course we're going to come in with quarter round, and that'll kind of hide the gaps that you see here. And I just make the measurement. All right, looks like 37 and a half. Okay, so I take the first piece here. Just measure 37 and a half. And make a mark there. Okay, so now our challenge is this piece right here is about a little over 7.5 inches, and so trying to figure out exactly where to cut the other side can be a challenge because I can't get this big piece in there to kind of see where it's going to hit. So what you do is you get you a scrap piece like this, and plug it in, and then now we know the width of this piece, and we can make our measurement a lot better. Alright, looks like 24 and a quarter. Okay, so you come across here, measure 24 and a quarter. Alright, and you just get you with this scrap piece, draw you a straight line, and make your cut. And we're just using a table saw to make our cuts. But let's cut it and we'll see how it looks. Alright guys, we have made our cut, so a little dust on it, but let's see how it fits. Alright, that's pretty good right there. That is pretty good. So that's how you make angle cuts with laminate.